this is not a physics question. I want to show you an experiment from class and talk about the nature of science. So in this case, we were thinking about what happens to the motion of an object when you push on it. So here's a quick little video of me pushing a cart and, oh, I got to do it right there. And the speed time graph. So you can see that while the hand's in contact with the cart, while there's a force on it, the cart increases in speed. That's great. Now the next question was, what happens if there's a continuous force pushing on it? Does it continue to speed up? So we did an experiment, but here's a better experiment. In the hallway, what I did was I put a fan on the cart and let it go, and let's see what happens as the cart rolls down the hallway with a constant strength force. And you can see from that speed time graph that it keeps on speeding up. But the question is, that just doesn't seem realistic. It doesn't seem like it just keeps speeding up forever. And that shows us the limitations of science. We don't know that it speeds up forever. All we know is that the data we've seen so far is it speeds up as long as there's a force acting on it. Maybe at some point it slows down, maybe it doesn't. We would have to build a longer hallway or do something. But we have limitations, right? Because here's a particle accelerator. This is CERN, and it's ginormous. And we use it to accelerate electrons and protons. I think it's positrons or antiprotons to really high speeds and collide them. You would want them to go even faster, but you need a bigger particle accelerator. That means more money. So at some point you are limited, right? I can only collect this amount of data and have to build my models on that. I don't know the truth because I don't know every single situation. We just build models with the data that we have, and that's one of the fundamental ideas of science.